In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shopping cart to a Wix website. If you want to start selling products directly from your Wix site, adding a shopping cart is one of the most important setup steps. The good news is that Wix makes this process very beginner-friendly and in just a few simple stages. You can have a functional store experience ready for your visitors. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Add Apps. This is where Wix lets you expand your site with extra features. In the search bar, type Wix Stores and when it appears, click Add to Site. This installs the store features you need, including product pages, the cart, and the basic shopping tools that make online selling possible. After adding it, give the editor a moment to load everything so the new store elements appear properly on your site. Next, it's time to add your products. Head over to your dashboard and click on Store Products. This is where you will create the items you plan to sell. As you add products, make sure the names, pricing, images, and descriptions are clear and accurate, since this information will directly affect how your store looks to customers. Take your time here because a well-organized product list makes your shopping cart much more useful and professional. Once your products are in place, you can customize the cart icon. By default, Wix adds a cart icon to your site header, so visitors can easily see what they've added and move toward checkout. Click on the cart icon, then choose Settings. From there, you can adjust the style, color, and overall design so it matches the look of your brand. This may seem like a small detail, but keeping your cart visually consistent with the rest of your website helps create a smoother and more trustworthy shopping experience. After that, customize the cart page itself. Go to the Pages menu in the top left. Click Cart and Thank You, and then select Cart Page. This area lets you edit the layout and review important store settings like shipping and delivery options. Make sure the page is easy to understand and organized in a way that helps customers complete their purchase without confusion. A clean cart page can make a big difference in reducing abandoned checkouts. Once you've gone through these settings, your Wix website will have a working shopping cart that's ready for customers. Before publishing, it's a good idea to preview the site and test the cart experience yourself to make sure everything looks and works the way you want. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.